Here are a couple of our fillets. We got these from Allen Brothers. If you're not familiar with Allen Brothers, I will leave their information below in the show more section. This is prime beef here, guys. Look at the marbling in here, the deep red. These are just great glistening. These are some great cuts here. And what we did was a couple of days ago, I put some kosher salt on there. You want to use about a half a teaspoon per pound, and these are only about 4 ounces, so just kind of sprinkled around really good and let them sit in the refrigerator for a couple of days. And what we're going to do to make these a little bit fancier, while I call them filet mignon, is we're going to take some bacon and wrap around these. But I'm using a new product today, and it's called grill pins. And this is a company out of Sanford, North Carolina, right here in North Carolina where I'm from. And the pins that they use are right here. Hopefully you can see that. And instead of using toothpicks and so forth in your meat, you'll use these grill pins. So we're going to try this today. So what we're going to do is take some nice bacon, wrap around these fillets, kind of get it in there real good. We may have to use a couple per steak just to make sure that the bacon holds good. But we're just going to take these grill pins and stick them right in there. And as you can see, it holds it. Anything that you need to be held on some meat right there, this will hold really good. I think I'm going to put another one on the other side just to help hold it a little bit. And there is your filet mignon, and we will get these on the Weber grill, and we're going to reverse sear it. All right, we got our grill up to temp. We're going around 250 degrees is what we're shooting for. Put these on the off side of the heat. I'm using my Maverick XR50 today, so I can have multiple probes. I'm just going to do 3 probes today. And these little short probes that come with the XR50 is perfect for these filet mignons. So I'm going to put these right in here. Get it right there in the center. And I'm going to do one on this side. Right about there. And we're shooting for about 90 degrees internal. And then we're going to flip them. And then we're probably going to go around 135 internal, because I like one more of the medium before we start doing the reverse sear. So I'll see you back when we get to 90 degrees. All right, we've reached the 90 degree mark. So now what we're going to do is just kind of turn these over. Alright, cover these back up, and then we're going for around 135 internal. I decided to take these off a little bit earlier. I said 135, but I meant more like 125 or the 130 area. Because again, I like mine medium versus medium rare. So we're going to go ahead and take these off, and then we'll pat them down, get any type of moisture off the outside. We're going to put some olive oil on both sides, and then fresh ground pepper, cracked pepper on both sides, and then we'll get them on the reverse sear. Put these on here, and we're going for probably about a minute per side. We'll kind of see how we're looking. So we'll start counting down a minute, and then we'll get them flipped over. It's been 1 minute. We're going to spin our grate around, take some heat off of the grill grate, flip these over, do this side. Okay, one more minute. We're at another minute. We're gonna flip these over. Get a nice crust on the outside. Oops. Another minute. Go on another minute. What I want to do now is just kind of turn these over, try to get some char on the bacon. We'll get them inside and we'll give you a taste test. Here are our filet mignons. As you can see, the grill pins, they stayed in there. I only had one that maybe come out, but for the most part, they held in very well. Hold that bacon on there good while I was doing the turning it on the side and crisping it up, so I'm very well pleased with these. So let's go ahead and cut into one right quick. Go ahead and just slice it right down the middle. Let's see how we're looking on the inside here. Look at that. Yes, that's exactly the way I like it. Look at the juiciness in this thing. Oh, man. That's that prime beef right there, guys, from Allen Brothers. Look at that. I can't wait to taste it.